Hello, this is Agnes of Gann Explain here. We've got a lot of questions on how the square of 9 grandfather, father, grandson can be applied on intraday level. And I would like to use S&P 500 chart as an example. And in fact, it can be applied on any other markets with volatility. Let's take a look here. Imagine we are somewhere here that we don't know the market is going to continue to go up or it will break. Because it's making a high, and let's say if we're here, it doesn't break this point. And with the grandfather, father, and son square of 9, here's what I'm going to do. So imagine we don't know this part of the chart. And I will go to a smaller time frame chart. It can be like a 15 minutes or 5 minutes, but let me go back to August 1st, which is here. So let's say if I am here and I don't know whether I should be buying or selling the market, or at least get a sense of direction. So let's pull up the indicator. So just now I click on the grandfather and the father, and it gives me the grandson here. So when it clicks this entry line, it means that these 3 numbers are geometrically aligned on the square of 9. And this is a clear sell signal. But you can say you're still not very sure about it, and that's fine. And so just let the market unfold a little bit, and then you can then see if there's other point that is related to this. So this is the grandfather point, and then you move one downwards, and then you find another point here, which clearly indicates these 3 points are geometrically aligned as well. So this is a pretty clear signal that you can short sell the market. Let's go ahead and do this. So let me pull up the short position, and let's say we short sell here, and let's say our target price is here, which is the last support here. And in terms of the stop loss, we just put above the last top. So let's use that as an example first. So the stop loss, the risk reward ratio will be 1 to 3. And the target will be 63.25. And the stop will be 20.5. The target profit here will be 253 ticks. And if you are trading a mini contract, that will be 253 times 1.25. So it's $360 profit. And this 82 ticks will be your stop loss. So this is the intraday trade. And then let's move forward. So let me take this out. And let's go to August 1st. So you woke up here, around here, and then you're figuring out whether the market is going to rebound or not. But you can clearly see that this is what we call the depth line. When we are here on August 1st, it hasn't broke the depth line yet. So we are still looking at the down market. And so let's see if we can find an entry. So I can move here. And so these 3 points are geometrically aligned. And so let's say for here, how we can do this short position. So let's say this is August 1st. And for day trading, this is still, okay, this is still August 1st. So let's see if there is any last, just imagine if there's any last support that we can use to put our target profit. So let's say here, and then here just above the last top. So I'm referencing to this point. So if this is my profit target, and this is also a day trade, and it's a 1.123 risk reward ratio, and the target will be 189 ticks, and the stop loss will be around 60. So this will be August 1st, and so there is another opportunity. Let's say if you miss this one, let's see if we can re-enter the other one. So it's here already, and it still hasn't break the deadline. So we see if there is any other entry opportunities here. So I moved here. No, let's go to the 30-minute chart. Okay, so I was looking at August 3rd. Here's what I will do. Go here and go here if there's a geometric aligned point. Yes, there is a touches this point. This is August 4th. On August 3rd, we haven't get there yet. So we're still on, we're on August 4th. Sorry if they mixed up. And so there is a point that is a potential upside here. So that was August 4th and 6:30 a.m. So we go back to our 5-minute chart. August 4th here. So we have on a 30-minute chart, we see there's a geometrical align point indicating the market can go up. So what I do here is, because I'm looking at an intraday opportunity, and so I am looking at if there is a buy signal here. So August 4th that we're looking at. So there is a point here that cuts the geometrically aligned number, and also here. So that is a buy signal. And I would look at this one and then calculate. So the deadline is here, and if I have to choose a previous low, so this is a 3-to-8 reward ratio with stop loss at 83 ticks and profit target at 315 ticks.